So on that basis, my invitation to stick to be fair to you would just be for you to leave Islam. Agreed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Anything to the
failed,
equivalence. You did not.
You've completely
So we'll
failed.
wrap that up there.
You have totally failed, Imran.
Abbas, yeah,
You have
exactly.
not
Tell him better.
shown him anything.
Absolutely.
I'm really upset and angry with you. You know that.
Absolutely.
This discussion here is purely based upon some academic paper written by some...
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'll clarify.
No.
I can clarify.
Theory, where does the theory come from?
I can clarify.
theory
Can I clarify?
The theory comes from one person
Can I clarify?
based upon something that they theorized based on inscriptions.
And so hopefully at some stage you will leave Islam on this one basis and come and follow Jesus Christ. So with that,
No, wait a second.
No, that's-
Wait a second. You've moved the topic to something else.
no. This is
One second.
What's the
second,
topic?
1 second. So I said to you right in the beginning, what were my problems with Christianity?
No. That's a different topic.
No,
right
no.
now, no.
One second.
No.
Arul, let me
Okay.
speak.
Make your
Okay.
point then.
I will
Please. Don't ask me anything.
I will never worship the creation.
Okay, now you're going to talk some other
No,
topic right
you
now.
raised it.
You're going to
You-
some other topic right
you
now.
raised
If
it.
you want to
1
discuss
second, we will-
theology,
1 second.
I can. No,
One
you are
second.
going
Arul,
Imran.
you
You
have to
very
let
well
him-
know.
you have to let him speak.
Historical evidence.
Because
You
you're
have to let
saying-
him speak. That's not
Historical
fair.
evidence.
Arul,
We have
Wait a second,
concluded.
let him
Have we
speak. Let
concluded
him
that
speak.
debate?
Let him speak.
We're about to conclude now.
We have. We have.
let him speak.
Evidence
when
you
make-
haven't.
When
Let
you
him
make
speak.
statements,
Let me-
when you make statements, because I didn't tell you to leave Christianity or anything like that. Have I said that to you?
Well, that's my concluding remark.
Okay.
The debate
Okay.
was, Imran, you very well know, in a debate in regards to a particular topic, once you have made your arguments for a topic, at the end, you can provide an invitation. You can. And that is what I've
Alright.
done. My point wasn't to argue for that.
But you can reject
my
that invitation.
argument.
Because you haven't made no argument for Christianity.
I did
You
argument.
made no argument for Christianity.
Absolutely.
Okay,
But
good.
okay,
That's
I
fine.
completely agree. So
Okay,
to be
100%.
fair to you,
So we are fine.
to
So
be
all
fair
of
to
our
you,
discussion
let
has
me
nothing
finish.
to do with Christianity.
Agreed. To be fair to you, so far, maybe the only invitation I can make is because despite your many years of experience as a leading apologist,
Being world-renowned.
because world-renowned,
Anis.
Shabir Ali, I didn't realize Shabir Ali you consider to be better than you. In my view, all are very similar.
Everyone is better than
you.
me.
You, as a matter of fact, I mean, even today you conducted yourself really well, better than Abbas. But
course.
Abbas, at the end,
I agree.
At the end, he has come to the place of
I agree.
being
He's better than
having
me.
having a little bit of manners there. But the point simply is, Imran,
More manners than you, thankfully.
many years leading apologist,
It's just funny, isn't it?
but you could not provide evidence. That's simply the fact. And so on that basis, my invitation to stick to be fair to you would just be for you to leave Islam. Agreed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, what you're going to do for me now is you're going to bring me evidence of your theory. That evidence, because all this you're talking
But now
about, because this is an academic paper that you're presenting as a theory. You're going to bring that so you can establish your position.
Sure.
Before we turn away from the.
Do you
basic
mind, Imran? So I know you do online streams.
Yeah.
You know, because here, I have plenty of files already.
we would
The-
love
the
to have
partic-
you on, Aaron. It would be very, very enjoyable.
such a conversation,
Yes.
such a conversation,
very,
one to
very
one.
good, yes.
If we could, because then I could share on screen, so you can already see and so on.
Yes.
Despite the fact that I have many files that, some of which I don't have that particular paper printed, but there are plenty of
But
other
that's-
papers
that's
I've
the
printed.
key
Online.
paper, isn't it?
Online, let's do that. Yeah? Time and
that would be
when?
lovely.
Can I give you my email?
Let's swap details. The key point here is
Yeah.
for me, all you've done is present a contemporary theory. All you've done
Scholarly research.
yes.
Yeah, go on. You finish and I'll respond.
contemporary
Yeah.
theory,
Yeah.
and you're changing the known historical narrative that there was. That's fine.
Email. Yeah. Abbas. Yeah.
The
You know our email
understanding
because
that
we're
there was
world-renowned.
that
I know,
monotheism, that monotheism prevailed in the Arabian Peninsula.
Yeah.
This is something that you're presenting.
Yeah.
A new theory from somebody. And now you're holding on to this and you're disregarding evidence that you know exists because you knew it already.
This is not true. Imran, no, this is not true. We went through this so far. The evidence that I'm presenting.
One second.
Okay.
Because we are
We
as far as
almost
we finished,
concluded.
I'm just telling
exactly.
you.
So what are you repeating
I'm
right now?
talking to you.
Okay.
I'm not.
Sure. Go on.
I don't care who's there.
Okay, go on.
I don't care who's there.
Okay, go on.
I'm talking to you.
Sure.
You know.
This is not true. So just say, don't. How do you know what I know? Just say
I'm
what
about
you want to
tell
say.
I'm about to tell you.
Okay, go
Do you know
on.
your name is Arul?
I know my name is
Okay,
Arul.
so I can say things that you know
Sometimes.
without you telling me them, right?
Sometimes. he
Some
knows.
things, yeah, some things.
So hear what I'm going to say to you
Go
before
on.
you make a judgment.
Sure, go on.
So you said to me that you know yourself. There are statements within the Quran that deal with paganism. You said that to me. However, whatever you think they are, but you feel for some reason they're insufficient. Okay, you gave your reason.
I did not say they're insufficient. What I'm saying is you haven't done any work based on that. I'm not even saying they're insufficient. If you began presenting some details,
One second.
I could say what you've done is insufficient. So far, you haven't even attempted,
No,
which
you're
means,
you're not hearing me. You're answering a different question.
look,
I'm
any
s-
book,
look,
Imran,
you've done
any
the-
book can
Aaron,
have any
Aaron,
statement.
listen to what I'm asking you.
Aaron, let him
Sure, go on.
finish.
You're not even engaging.
Sure.
You've done the research.
Yeah, sure.
You've
Sorry.
done the research.
Yeah.
You've done the research. You've researched, yes. You're writing a book, you said. You've
Yeah, but
researched.
please make your point.
Okay.
Sorry.
Is it for children or for adults? The
if,
book.
if you've done the research,
It is for people older than you, Abbas.
5-year-olds.
Yeah, older than you.
if you've done the research and you're aware of these verses, yeah, you're aware of them. Yes?
Which verses are you talking
The
about?
verses that deal with paganism within the Quran.
The ones that you said are haphazardly.
No, like I told you,
You haven't-
Imran,
you haven't done it.
I'm not commenting on this now.
You did,
I'm
you-
simply
you
not
said
commenting on this
you said
now. Imran.
haphazardly.
It's
This is-
really,
this
it's
is-
really, it's
this-
really disingenuous for me.
This
No,
for me.
it's
this for me.
I
One second, Aaron.
yeah, sure.
This for me was with a disingenuous.
No, I
I'll
completely
give it-
disagree.
I'll
I
give it- I'll
completely
give it-
disagree.
look,
I completely
let me-
disagree.
let me give
Now,
it-
let me put it this way.
Aaron, let him
Aaron,
finish.
let me-
Aaron,
He
let
was
him
talking
finish.
for a while
He
now.
hasn't finished though.
I'll give
He
you
hasn't
some-
finished.
This is not
Let
a
him
formal
finish.
It's okay, it's not. We're
This is
just-
not.
it's
We're
not-
just
it's not
having a
formal, it's not
conversation.
formal.
Yeah, please.
So what
Just
I-
listen
so-
to him.
so what I'm-
At some stage, Abbas,
Aaron,
please
Aaron.
listen to him.
Okay.
So the point,
Okay.
I will listen.
the
Yeah.
point here is this: that this discussion here is purely based upon some academic paper written by some.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
I'll clarify.
no.
I can clarify.
Theory, where does the theory come from?
I can clarify.
theory
Can I
comes-
clarify?
The theory comes from one person
Can I clarify?
based upon something that they theorized based on inscriptions.
Inscriptions.
Yes,
Safaitic.
Look.
Dated to Islam minus 200 years.
Do you know the
So
difference?
that is the
No, no,
ultimate
no, no,
evidence
no,
I'm
no,
getting to.
Let me give you. Do you understand the difference between the evidence, the observation, and the conclusion?
Inference.
Do you understand the difference? You said computer science, right? Computer science.
Please make a point.
Yes.
Imran.
With your great
He just
computer
plays
science
on
background.
PlayStation.
Yeah, please try. Try.
He's just got PlayStation.
There's the observation. There's the
That was really funny.
He's just got a PlayStation.
Is he a what?
Calls himself
there's the observation.
a computer
Please
scientist.
listen to him,
There is the observation.
Nintendo
Look,
or PlayStation?
during apprenticeship,
Okay,
you
sorry.
really listen to
Wait,
him.
we're concluding.
Thank you.
There's the observation, and then there's the conclusion. Between the observation and the conclusion, the person who's coming up with this has some framework that they use to come up with a theory from the conclusion. Now, what you're doing is you're presenting the theory.
You're losing him now.
You're presenting the theory as something that's because there is an observation. that
Imran,
has to be
yeah,
correct.
now
He's lost,
I
he's
should
lost.
be
No,
honest.
I
I should be
don't
honest.
It's too
I should be
complicated.
honest
You
with
need to
you.
simplify that.
During the debate, you had
Simplify the
plenty
argument.
of time
I know,
to
I know.
engage with
He
the
doesn't understand.
inscriptions
He
I'm
doesn't
talking
understand
about.
you.
Now, that's
you
fine.
didn't present any inscriptions.
Okay, fine. If you want the
You didn't
specific,
present- you didn't
if
even
you
present
want
the paper.
if you want the specific, like I said, we can do the online discussion. We can go through the details involved there. But ultimately, the evidence is not the paper.
Oh.
The evidence is the
something else.
underlying Safaitic inscriptions, which are
I'm not talking about the
I know
evidence.
you're not, because this is why I don't know why you misunderstood the point. Safaitic inscriptions,
everyone here misunderstood
thousands exist. The specific ones from the time of the beginning of Islam minus 200 years. That is what I'm referring to as evidence. We can discuss later, like you rightly said. You can look at more details. We can discuss that later. But so far, you have not provided
You failed.
anything
You
to the
failed,
equivalence. You did not.
You've completely
So we'll
failed.
wrap that up there.
You have totally failed, Imran.
Abbas, yeah,
You have
exactly.
not
Tell him
not
better.
shown him anything.
Absolutely.
I'm really upset and angry with you. You know that.
Absolutely. Tell him again.
Aaron, you did so
Sorry.
well in this debate.
Thank you very much. Well,
You know, it was a masterclass. It was a masterclass.
At least in a joke,
You
you're being
are
truthful.
world renowned. You must be
least
a
in a joke.
world renowned
At least-
Christian
At least in a joke, you're
Honestly.
being truthful.
No,
That's
yeah,
really
it's
good. Thank you.
absolute truth.
Imran is
You
You are world renowned. Honestly, this is
the
amazing.
best thing against Islam
Amazing. I mean,
No,
really.
this is the first thing I'm bringing.
this is-
In the first thing, you're not providing any evidence.
Amazing.
Now I can go through all sorts of different things, Imran. Can we set up a series of
Arun.
debates? If that's
What
okay.
Series.
The whole point here is
We can go through a series of debates.
One second.
This is the
One
first
second.
topic
This is-
I brought up.
So this is the problem. You know how you chop a tree down? How do you chop a tree down?
Come on,
You
Imran.
don't
Make
you
point.
don't pull the leaves off.
Arun does.
You come
The history
you come-
of a fundamental claim of Islam
come-
is a
you
leaf.
come to the base.
The base is this. If there was no paganism during the time of supposed Muhammad, the entire story falls apart.
No.
You understand? Oh, no?
No,
So
no,
what did what?
one second,
no,
one second, one
Muhammad,
second,
what did he fight against in Mecca?
one second.
Relax.
If
I know, wait,
Aaron,
Very irate.
if is the point.
What's your blood pressure?
If there is no,
No.
paganism,
No. If this
what
is,
was
this-
Muhammad fighting against in Mecca?
This is the question.
Patience.
So now I'm going to take this question, and I want you to understand your question.
No. Hey, Imran, I'm not interested in. For
He's-
some
he's not
reason,
interested.
Your question-
Imran. For
Aaron,
some
Aaron,
reason,
Aaron,
Imran.
listen
For
to
some, no. Please.
just
We need
for
to be
one
respectful.
second, one second.
We need to be respectful to each other.
Let him interrupt you. Let's
We
be
have,
respectful.
Respectful.
Let him interrupt you. Let's be respectful.
We had
Yes.
a specific topic.
No, you're. No,
you
I'm not talking about this.
you were making comments.
Aaron.
I was making comments.
Aaron.
Now you want to help me understand what I was saying.
No, I don't. I want to ask this question you raised.
Yeah.
This question you raised. If there was monotheism, what was the fight against? Isn't it?
If there was no idolatry,
If there was monotheism,
if there was no
if there was-
idolatry of any recognizable form, the
What was the
very
fight-
claim that the very claim that Muhammad fought against it would fall apart historically.
Okay, so the
In other words,
yes.
Islam does
And
not
this is-
have
and this is
legs
why-
to stand on.
This is the whole point here. This is the whole point here. The monotheism claim comes from this new paper. Okay, that the monotheism was rampant. Comes from this new paper.
No, from the inscriptions.
Yes, the claim.
You're focused
no.
on the paper. I'm
Yes.
talking about the evidence, the inscriptions,
one second.
which you need more
Aaron,
detail.
Aaron, you have to let him talk. Come on.
The-
Be fair.
Just because you have inscriptions, what does that mean? Someone has to take that information and make a theory based upon it. And the theory that you brought was the whole region was monotheistic.
That's not my theory.
From the paper.
We can.
From the paper.
You're confusing him. You're just
No,
confusing
Imran.
him. Hang on a
no,
sec, one second.
Can I
Just-
suggest
so
something
then-
very
so-
useful?
so-
Let's discuss the contents of the paper, the Safavitic inscriptions based conclusion. Let's discuss that online. So there is no straw manning
Okay, one
of
second.
any manner. Can we do that,
What
please?
we can do.
No, because now you're just
listen-
straw manning.
I'm not strong at you
Yeah.
at all.
Not me, but that argument you're straw manning. So we
paper.
can do that
Listen to me.
online.
Just listen to
So
me one
what's
sec. Listen to me. I'm not going to commit to you online because I have things that I'm committed to already. We can
Sure.
have a discussion here.
Sure.
Next time when we meet,
I thought the paper you could see better online.
you have contact details. Send us the paper. We'll have a look at it.
You know our email address because we're world renowned.
What you can do is bring the paper and everything.
Sure,
that you want to bring,
I'll get the printout.
because the whole point is you're arguing from this theory.
Yes.
Which
No,
is,
that's not the whole point. You're miscaricaturing this.
He's got a whole lot
You-
of other evidence.
No, let's put it this
that
way.
he
Have you
hasn't
got the
given
inscription in the bag?
Imran, please.
no inscription
This
in
is
the
miscaricaturing. I can explain to you how it is.
Yes.
From my side,
Yeah.
I present evidence to negate the historical veracity of Islam.
But you haven't done that.
Let me finish. Let me speak now, please.
Let him speak.
From my
You haven't
point,
done this.
from my point, I am providing evidence,
What's that evidence? What's that evidence?
contradicting the historical veracity of the
haven't-
origin of
you haven't
What's
Islam.
the
done
evidence you provided?
And you need more details of the inscriptions.
No, what's
We
the
can go
evidence?
through
What's
that.
the
The
evidence you provided?
Safavitic inscriptions from the Arabian Peninsula
What evidence?
during the time of Islam, when Islam is supposed to have started, minus 200 years. You need more details. I completely understand.
Okay.
But as you
you
clearly,
can't-
as you
Aaron,
don't have papers
but you
with you,
can't-
I don't have papers
Okay,
with me right
okay,
now.
then- okay,
now,
one second.
now
So you
let me
can't
finish.
build- you
Imran, I
can't
need to finish.
build-
I let you
Okay,
finish.
okay.
I need to finish right now. So my point simply is, from my perspective, I am providing a case against Islam using that,
Using
and
the
I'm
paper.
challenging, and with the underlying Safavitic inscriptions.
From the paper.
Now,
From the paper.
No, the paper don't have the inscriptions. The underlying inscriptions are the evidence. Now, let me finish, please.
Raised in the
Imran,
paper.
you need to let me finish.
Raised in the
Don't.
paper.
Now you're
I'll let you
becoming Abbas.
let you
Don't.
finish.
Please don't do that.
Finish.
Don't do that. Don't defeat my
In
argument.
contrast, and also what I am doing is I am challenging you to present positive evidence to support the historical veracity of Islam. I challenged you multiple times. And what you, in your time, what you could have done is, in regards to the argument I am presenting, the Safavitic inscription, of course you said you need more information, that's fine. In regards to that, that's fine. But in contrast, to support your position, all that you have done is we have claims which must be true. You haven't
done this.
you haven't got to the you did not let me, I'm finishing now.
No, but
I'm
you're-
finishing now.
but you said I was mischaracterizing
I'm finishing
you.
now. I'm finishing now.
You said I was mischaracterizing
But I
you.
need to finish right now.
I know,
I
but
finish
you
now,
need
and
to
then
finish.
you say
You
what
can't finish with lies.
what you haven't done. Abbas, try your best later.
Aaron,
Now, what you haven't done, Imran, what you haven't
One
done,
second, just give me 1 second.
Imran, what you haven't done
Finish with
is,
the truth,
despite
not lies.
our 1 hour or so conversation, you simply did not present the evidence from your perspective to support. You simply did not. That's a simple truth.
Okay, you finished?
Sure.
Okay. So you did not bring any evidence either.
No, I
Aaron,
did.
let
You
me-
want more
Aaron, you
information?
want me to talk?
No, this
Let
is
me-
a
let me- let me
this is
talk-
a
let me-
basic
let
fact
me
you're
talk.
disagreeing with.
Let me talk
Okay.
now, okay? You brought a theory from a paper based upon some inscriptions, and you claimed you appealed to the authority. You appealed to the authority. You said that this is for you evidence, and this is you're going to accept this as the historical narrative. That's not evidence.
We can.
One second. Let me say. So you're bringing some theory as something you're going to accept. Why? 1 second. Because it suits your
I
narrative.
brought no.
Let him finish. Aaron, let him
No,
finish.
no, you're
One
missing.
second.
Aaron, let him
Let me
finish.
Let me finish. You didn't show me the paper. You didn't present any of the inscriptions, but you made big conclusions.
Claims.
You followed the big conclusions made by one author on this. This is completely. 1 second. Let me, because I'll let you talk. You have to be.
But
calm.
this is not Imran. We were supposed to wrap up. We were supposed to wrap up. We were supposed to wrap up 10 minutes ago,
Yeah.
and you are now doing.
Imran, just
I'm
wrap
led to
up
think.
and let's go.
I'm
Imran,
led to
wrap
think.
up.
I'm led to think
Okay,
that
so
now
what
you're
we-
trying to
No,
reshape
I'm
the
not
entire
reshaping.
debate
No,
we
that
had.
was the same debate.
The
Yeah.
entire
Same debate.
debate. The entire debate was very
what-
straightforward.
what were you going to do?
Very
What
clear.
What are you going to do
No,
now?
no, we're not
Okay.
debating anymore. We wrapped that
So
up
you-
10 minutes
so you
ago,
can-
Imran.
so you
Now,
bring-
if you want to
could
have
bring-
further
you
conversation,
can bring this evidence.
absolutely. If you want to
then
have
we can
further
have a discussion.
absolutely, we
Okay,
can
that's
further
fine.
have further
Let's leave it
conversation
there.
later. But very good to see you today.
What I would like you to do.
Yep.
This is for everyone.
Yep.
Yeah? The discussions between Christians and Muslims here should be respectful.
Absolutely, this is what we do.
Okay.
Christians.
Just let me finish my statement. Now.
Okay.
Okay.
Go on.
And we should be, even if we disagree, no problem.
Absolutely.
Okay. We should be people that can disagree and walk away.
Absolutely.
One of the things that I've noticed here, and this is especially with this comment about the person with the mask, is there's a lot of fear and animosity here, and there shouldn't be.
No,
We
that's
should-
not
we
Imran.
should
That's
be-
that's not
we should-
that's
no,
not what
one
happened.
second, one-
That's really not
Let me
what
just
happened.
finish the things I'm saying.
Go on.
We should be able to speak, have a discussion, and disagree and walk away without there being a problem.
My
Because
point.
we respect each other as human beings. You
Absolutely.
understand?
I respect you as a human being. I respect Abbas despite his bad behavior.
Really?
We
Really?
still respect
Really?
Abbas.
This is
Now,
not nice.
I
Really?
respect all people. Now you can ask
bad
Ali,
behavior.
you can ask him for how many weeks I've been trying to speak to different people. You can ask. Every time this is how I have a conversation. I
good.
get to the subject matter. I stick to the details of the subject matter. That's what matters to me. But having said that,
Yeah.
Imran, if you, I'm sure you would be as a I know I've been following you a little bit here and there and so on,
Oh.
and I'm sure world renowned,
World-renowned.
Imran,
So
we have a
Sounds like a
joint
stalker.
responsibility. We have a joint responsibility
Yeah.
to keep peace. Now, the simple fact is, to keep peace. The simple fact is, not long ago, a Christian sister was stabbed.
Oh, he sounds like
It's
a
a
stalker.
simple fact.
I've been following
We don't even have to argue about this. Someone was,
Oh, dear.
there was an attempted murder of a Christian sister.
Muslims are going through this every day on the streets.
This
What are you
no,
talking
no,
about?
Abbas, don't
How many
trivialize.
how many
Don't
Muslims have been
trivialize.
stabbed?
Don't
How many
trivialize.
Muslims have been stabbed
Do
on the
not
streets
trivialize
for being Muslims?
Please do not trivialize.
Don't make
not
these emotional
trivialize
arguments.
a
Nobody's
fact
trivializing
at Speaker's
it.
Corner.
Nobody's trivializing
Then
it.
let me finish.
This is a reality
Then
that
let me
Muslims
finish.
live with every day.
Imran,
Muslim sisters who are wearing hijab are living with this
There we
reality
go.
every
So
day.
this is what he's going
so
to do.
don't
It
play
is
the
a
victim.
genuine threat
Don't
at
play
the
the
park.
victim. We have a
It's
threat
a
as well.
genuine threat
I
at the
don't
park.
agree with this.
I don't agree with
That's
it
fine.
either.
You can
Don't play these
completely
games.
disagree. I
Don't
didn't
play these
insist that
games
you should
with us.
agree. I'm just presenting
Don't play
from
these
my
games.
side.
It won't work.
From my side, it is a fact for
Yeah.
us as Christians.
As Muslims as well.
we do not find
As Muslims
Christians
as well.
attempting this. You
What are
can
you
go through
talking
the
about?
history.
What about
We
the
can-
Ukrainian,
we can-
Ukrainian guy that killed a 75, 78-year-old man?
Wow, wow,
who's
wow,
leaving
wow,
the masjid?
Wow,
Christian.
Wow,
Yes,
wow, wow.
Christian.
Excuse me.
Don't play these games. Don't play these games.
This is not-
Imran,
Don't play these
Imran,
games,
Okay,
Aaron.
that's fine. We'll leave it there.
Don't play these
You
games.
know the point I made.
The
No,
important
don't play
thing-
these games.
You know the point I made, Imran.
Look, I wasn't point scoring.
Neither was I.
One second,
And
listen.
I can't believe
Aaron,
Abbas didn't even let me finish my point.
Because you're talking nonsense.
It's-
One
That's
second.
fine.
Aaron,
You think
Aaron,
he needs to learn to listen.
to the
Don't make
words
these
that are
silly
coming out of my
arguments.
mouth.
Sure,
Okay, I wasn't point scoring.
sure.
I'm not saying that there isn't fears. I said there are fears. Okay, listen.
There is
to
a genuine threat.
the point
Go
here.
on.
For Muslims
the
as well.
point here is that unless the tone of the discussions changes, where it's actually an exchange of information, like we've tried to do here, mostly okay, right?
I think you have.
The whole point here is that we're gonna.
Is he a
that-
marketing
that
manager
we-
of some sort of
That we will end up
I'm
with.
just truthful.
Things will
There you go.
become worse. Okay.
I completely understand. So
And so
this
it's
is
important that we have conversations like this, and you should try and spread this information amongst your.
Abbas, I can
community, and will do the
confidently
same.
tell you.
boss again.
Oh, sorry,
Sorry,
Imran. sorry, Imran.
A boss.
I can confidently.
Stolen my-
I do apologize very sincerely. I can confidently tell you that Christians across the
Are
park
very nice.
aren't going around
Very lovely people.
with an intent to knife people and so on. I'm not saying you are. Most Muslim
I'm not
preachers.
Talking, I'm not talking about
My simple point is, but it is a fact.
I'm talking about
It's
the
a-
discussions.
I know, but it's a
So-
simple
so
reality.
you're
But it's a
changing
simple reality that at the corner, a Christian preacher was already attacked, knifed, and there was another person who was convicted of attempting to bring a gun
So let me-
to
okay.
shoot people down. These are facts,
So let me-
and that
so
is
let
why
me ask you a
it is
question.
important for Christians to stay alert. Watch out to see who is doing what and so on. This
So
is
let- so
genuine.
let- so
you
let me
can't
ask-
just undermine, trivialize.
I'm not undermining.
You're not
it.
trivializing.
You
are
did not.
undermining.
Abbas did.
No, I
Let me-
didn't.
let me
No, I
Okay, and
didn't.
let's wrap up there.
No,
please.
I
one
didn't.
second.
Sure.
Don't play these
Tell me
cheap
of
tactics.
any Muslim
Yeah.
that comes to the park here, drilling holes in the Bible, putting mice into the Bible.
Now you're trying to give reasons.
No reason. I'm telling.
What
I'm
are you
asking,
trying to do
I'm
right
not
now?
talking about respect.
Okay, before
My
that,
point- my
before
point-
that,
one
Imran,
one second.
Are you saying? Are
No,
you saying?
Aaron, don't
Go
do
on.
this.
Don't play
do
these
this.
silly
No,
games,
You're playing a
Aaron.
game now.
No, I'm not.
We're talking
I am
about-
not. You're trying
I
to
am-
undermine
I am talking about
the safety of my sister.
I'm talking about respect.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the tone
Just
of the
one
discussion.
second, please. Sweetie.
If it's sweetie, then we better leave
Sweetie's
it.
going to kill you.
My sweetie,
Alright.
move
Sweetie
on.
is not going to be
But
so
good to
sweet
see you.
when you get to her now.
No, that's not how we do
Yeah.
life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Imran, great to catch up today.
We didn't discuss Christianity.
We can. We should. And let's discuss many other topics. So I'm very open. I'm looking
Bring your
for.
evidence next week.
I saw that
I'm
today.
looking.
Next time we're here.
I'm looking for people like you to discuss. Most people run away, but it's.
But on
I'm
the-
glad.
on the
I'm glad.
topics that-
I'm
I'm
even
not gonna
Abbas
run.
ran away. You saw that
No,
earlier.
you never ran.
He did. He did. Metaphorically.
You know why?
Lying.
You know why?
Metaphorically.
You know why? You know why?
Metaphorically.
You know why? You know why? You know why I ran away? You know why I ran away?
Not physically.
You know why I ran away?
Is it?
Do you want to know why I ran
No,
away?
no.
Because my
no, I don't want
because
to
my
know.
religion
Sorry.
tells me
Imran.
stay away from Jahil people.
Oh, I see.
Jahil,
You see?
ignorant.
You see
No,
what's going on there?
honestly.
Hey, did you hear
And
that?
so, because
Stay
of-
away
because-
from Jahil people.
Jahil people, ignorant
You know,
people. Yeah.
ignorant people.
So
yeah.
I have to stay away.
Oh,
That's the reason.
You see,
I just
is
qualified
that, is that friendly? Is that the kind of conversation you want,
Yeah,
Imran?
it's very friendly.
Is that the kind of...
The point here is
Imran, maybe
Because
you are the
don't-
one who's
you don't-
training
You don't
him.
discuss.
But you need to
you
really tell him.
interrupt,
You can't do this.
interrupt.
my-
You
He's
interject.
He's your boss.
Yeah.
You interject. You
Oh, your
interrupt.
boss is not
And
good.
you-
You
even
need
when
to stay
simple
away from him.
arguments are formulated,
But great.
you don't accept
but
them.
no.
So it's a
Abbas
waste
is
of
now
time.
doing a new
it's a
debate.
waste of
Right?
time.
Abbas, you need to be quiet. Imran tells you.
Okay.
Good.
I'll
Imran,
listen to
great to
Imran.
catch up.
likewise.
Many topics to discuss. I am very
You're
open.
bringing me the evidence for this paper next time you come.
Which, yeah, through God's grace,
Okay.
I'm going to still request. I genuinely prefer us to do this online because it's much,
Sure.
you know.
But that
it's
time frame is
simply-
a longer time frame.
Which
because
time frame? I can do next week. I can do this week.
That's too short for me.
Okay.
I have
When
other- I
would
have-
you like
I
time
have other
frame?
commitments. So we can discuss this.
Time
You
frame.
have our
We
email
will
address.
discuss this. You
The time, yeah.
Because
The
we're
logistical
world-renowned.
details.
Email us and we'll work that out.
Sure, sure. Yeah, please email.
But,
He has
but
my.
the next time we're here, and if you see me, you're presenting me the evidence for this paper. You're bringing the paper with you.
Okay, yeah. I can show you the paper, but can you please online? Yeah, we will discuss the logistics.
But I want to see this paper.
Sure, absolutely. Good to see you.
Take care.
God's blessings. Abbas, despite all the bad behavior, good to see you.
No,
God's
I was
blessings.
really bad to you. I know.
No.
I'm
joking. I'm joking.
I was really bad.
I
to you.
know it's very hard to have conversations
Yes,
here. So you do a little bit of this and
Yeah, I
that.
know.
But that's fine. God's blessings. Good to see you.
All the best.
Imran, good to see you. God's
Likewise.
blessings.
Take care.
God's blessings.
All the
Ali.
best. Take care, guys.
See you later. Bye bye.
Let's back this
Quickly go and find Sweetie. Make sure you find your Sweetie.